السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي الطلاب والطالبات، نسعد بكم في اليوم قبل الأخير في هذا الملتقى الذي عشنا فيه سويا في اللغة الإنجليزية وقواعد اللغة الإنجليزية وما صار في هذه ال5 أسابيع. سعدنا بكم في هذه الفترة، نسأل الله عز وجل أن يكشف هذه الغمة على خير. كل لقائنا إن شاء الله بإذن الله في الفصول بإذن الله رب العالمين. نشكر جميع الذين شاركونا بدون ما نذكر اسم حد وننسى اسم حد. نشكرهم جميعا، ليست لهذه المشاركة فقط ولكن لمشاركتهم طوال هذه الأسابيع. بارك الله فيهم على مذاكرتهم وعلى جهدهم، نسأل الله عز وجل لهم دوام التوفيق. Today إن شاء الله شرح countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable and uncountable nouns. What's the meaning of countable and uncountable nouns? I can see this is a pen. This is a pen. I have 2 pens. Okay? But if I want to drink now, what can I say? I want 2 drops of water. That's wrong. I want a kilo of water. That's wrong. But I want to drink water. Okay? If you want to put a containers or anything that contains water, you can say a bottle of water. Okay? A liter of water. Okay? All of this we will explain in the countable and the uncountable nouns. Okay? Again, I have 2 cars. You have a car. You have 3 cars. Okay? Car is a countable noun, but I love rice and meat. You can say 3 rices. You can't put the letter S to make it plural. Okay? You can say it. So the countable and the uncountable nouns. The first thing, how can I use a or an? Firstly, a or an, you should use it with the countable. Only the countable, the countable nouns. This is number 1. Number 2, a or an with only the singular nouns. You can say a books, airplanes, or an oranges, and ice creams. How can you say ice creams? No, you can't. Okay, but with the singular nouns. Okay, so you can say a book, a girl. Okay, can say an eggs. This is wrong. Why? Because it's more than 1. Okay? 2 eggs, 3 eggs, or anything. You can write it only 1 egg. Okay? An egg. An orange. Or you can say orange. Okay? Okay. This is number 1. A or an. What about the abstracts? The nouns of feelings. You can say abstract nouns, such as love, love is a name, okay, and dignity, and love, hatred, and dignity, and so on. Okay, and thinking, and all of this. You can't write a or an with the abstract nouns. Okay, the abstract nouns, you can't touch love. Can you describe love to me? I can describe a book. I can describe a pen. This is a pen. I can what? I can draw a pen. I can draw a man or a girl, but you can't draw love. Okay? So I can't put a or an with the words such as love, hatred, and dignity. Okay? Okay. You can't put a or an with the uncountable nouns such as flower. Flower, is it singular or plural? No, it's uncountable. I can't count flower. Okay? So you can't put a. Such as rise, you can't put a. Okay? A or an. Okay? After that, some or any. Some or any. Some, you can say after some what? Plural countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, you can say some books or some flower. You can say some pens or some rice. So countable or uncountable nouns, you can put it after some. Okay, but you can't put uncountable noun as a singular one. You can say some book. How can I pronounce some book? What does it mean? Okay, so some books. The countable nouns should be plural. Okay, some books, somewhat, some rice, some flour, some macaroni, or some any uncountable things such as petrol, oil, okay, water, and so on. Okay. Any, but after or before I explain any, you can't put some in the negative form or in the question form. Okay, except two cases I will give you now. Before any, some you can say I haven't get some money. Okay, you can say it. You can say any money. I haven't getting money. Okay, so some with the affirmative form, not the negative form. I said since 2 minutes that we can't put it in the question. Do you have some money? It's hard to pronounce it, but you can say in the offer and requests. You can use some in the offer and requests cases. Okay? Can you give me some money? Okay, this is a request case. Okay, or could you give me some money? This is request. Could you give me some money? Could you give me? Can you give? No. Sorry. Can you give me some money? Or would you like to eat some rice? Okay, would you like to eat some rice? This is an offer and request. Okay, can you give me some money? This is request. Can you give me? I want. This is a request. Would you like to eat? I offer. This is an offer. So I can use some in the what? In the question, but only the request and offer. Okay. A lot of. We say any in the question or in the what? In the negative. Okay. A lot of plus countable nouns or uncountable nouns. A lot of books. A lot of sugar. Okay. Many. Many means more than one or more than 10. Many books. If I say many books, that's mean I have 10 books or 20 books. Okay, 20 books. Many plus what? Countable nouns. You can't say many money because money is uncountable. Yeah, money is uncountable. Many books, but many rise strong. Okay, and the opposite of many, uncountable and uncountable is much. Okay, after much you can put uncountable, such as much what? Much money, much rice, much water, much juice. Okay, all the uncountable nouns you can put after much. Okay. Okay, in the meaning, you can say the opposite of the adjective many is few, and the opposite in the meaning of the adjective much is little. Okay, so we have the same usage in countable and uncountable nouns. Few, we have after few what? Countable nouns, and little uncountable nouns. So you can write little rice or water or juice, any uncountable nouns. Okay. Few what? Cars or what? Pens or any countable names. هذه كانت countable and uncountable nouns. نسعد بكم دائما، وإن شاء الله نلقاكم في الأسئلة والتعليقات. جزاكم الله خيرا، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.